The electrical safety and reliability study enforces rail industry to run a safe and reliable network, thus ensuring smooth rail operations. This importantly applies to rolling stock, interlocking systems, signaling systems, overhead equipments, tracks, tunnels, bridges, and others. Isolated safety inadequacies or faults can have major impacts, resulting in failure or electrical systems causing fatal incidents. Our expertise spans from survey, design, adequacy study, root cause analysis, transient analysis, short circuit analysis, load flow analysis, and EMI/EMC study in the field of electrical safety and reliability. We excel in providing quality installations for earthing and bonding systems, lightning protection systems, earth grid installations for TSS, SP, SSP in environmentally harsh conditions where the resistivity can go higher than 1000 ohm meter. Our installations are very accurate and do not deviate from design criteria. We follow IEEE, BS, NFPA, NFC, NEC and other relevant national and international standards for all our products and services. Our tests and measurements are performed at site on live conditions with a record of 0 incidents and a 0 downtime. We believe in an operating philosophy that is based on openness in communications, integrity in serving our customers, concern for our employees, and responsibility to the community within which we operate. Our vision is to exceed customer expectations for quality, safety, sustainability, cost, delivery, and value. We recognize that organizational knowledge is a valuable resource that supports our quality vision and ensures continual product and service conformity. There's a strong link between organizational knowledge and the competence of our people. MEPL works in a dynamic environment in which project scenarios and internal procedures undergo continuous change. We ensure that our planning includes contingency strategies for these ever-changing scenarios. Manav Group's safety engineering can be felt in world's tallest skyscraper, that is Burj Khalifa, world's largest petrochemical complex, Asia's highest pressure process plant, and many such mission-critical establishments. We have a young and energetic team of engineers who believe in delivering best engineering concepts focused on safety. Your safety is our concern.